baby, bubble play. Maybe if I spin it more, it will come out. Oh, it's moving! It's moving! What if I give it a hat? Oh my god. Is the light right there?
Oh, it imitated my noise.
What about?
Let me see. Let me make a different sound. Hold on, hold on. It imitates my noise.
Try with the pencil. Hear it.
You hear it?
I think it's a boy. It opened.
It's a boy. Oh, so cute.
Yes, I got it. It's that moving.
Let me see. Show the cameras.
Oh, look at this part.
Oh.
It feels. I see the diaper.
You see the diaper?
I see the underwear.
Underwear.
I see the diaper.
Careful. Don't get cut. Let it crack by itself. Is it crack? Will it crack by itself? Not anymore, right?
No, 'cause
Yeah.
it's big slimes.
Very
There's nothing
smart.
in front of it to eat.
Very smart. Good
So I
job.
have to break it. Look how hairy my hand is.
Oh my god. Oh, he's so cute. He has a bigger noggin. He does he? No. Oh, yeah. Let me see.
It looks like it's made out of diamond.
Uh-huh.
And little phone is pink.
Oh, cute. Don't throw the bottom part of the egg away. Many people do that, but there is so much you could do with it. You gotta take this little part out. You could make a little high chair, and he fits right there, nice and snug. And you could use it as storage. Voila! I was fighting with the part of the egg for a while because I was trying to make a cradle. So you gotta make sure you take that little part out so he could fit in the little cradle. Ta-da! Now let's turn it on and see what this little guy can do. I'm gonna rock him back to sleep. Aww, so cute. Sleep, little guy, sleep. Supposedly there's a sensor here on his forehead, on his chest, on his little feet. Supposedly he repeats. I've tried a few times, I can't get the right timing. There's also a sensor on the back of his head. My little guy is quite sleepy. Every time I lay him down, he wants to go to sleep, but I'm gonna wake him up with this little rattle. The H needs to be facing you. You put it against his chest and oh my God, he's so cute. He looks happy. Not sure what this is gonna do, but let's see if we could make him look decent for the camera. And there you go, brand new hairdo. I know there's a lot you could do with this little guys, and you train them. The more you play with them, the more they evolve. Ours is brand new, so he's not doing much. He's still a little tiny baby, so I'm gonna try to feed him this bottle. Let's see if I could do it. Hello? Hello? Wakey, wakey! Yay! He's sucking! He's sucking his little bottle! What a cutie! I'm gonna try to burp him. Not sure if he burps, but it's force of habit. Let's see. No burpee. No burpee. I want to see if he could repeat me. Oh, but as soon as I lay him down a little bit, he tries to go to sleep. You're so lazy. Come on, little dude. Let's see if he could be flipped. Whee! I think he liked it. I'm not sure what all the colors mean, but I have a feeling that green is he's feeling sick. So maybe I shook him too much. got a little sick, so let me put him to bed. I love you. I love you. Ugh, can't get this right. I love you. Oh boy, here he goes. Trying to go back to sleep, you sleepyhead. Oh my god, are you serious? He's so cute! He's singing and dancing. Oh boy, now he doesn't stop. Oh god, what do I do? Let me feed him. Nope, doesn't seem like he wants his bottle. Oh no, maybe he did want his bottle. Now he's crying. Don't cry, little dude. Oh god, he's still crying. Let me lay him down a little bit. Here, buddy. Oh Lord. Now he wants to sing and dance again? I'm so confused. Here, buddy. Suck on my finger. He's singing with my finger in his mouth. Oh God. Is he stuck? He's just repeating it over and over. He's starting to look creepy to me. Let me turn him upside down to snap out of it. Oh boy, his eyes turned off. Oh, cute. He wants to play peekaboo. Let me cover his eyes. Peekaboo. Did he just say I love you, meow meow? Love you. Okay, let me see if he repeats me. I think I'm just tickling him. I have 3 toes. I love you. I love you. I think think he froze with his mouth open. Oh boy. I love you.
Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you.
Okay, now he's turning into a sheep. His eyes turned red. That was weird. He's just repeating the same thing over and looking at me straight in the eyes with those creepy red eyes. Oh my god, let me turn him upside down to come out of it. Guys, I'm really freaking out. What is going on? Okay, now you're playing possum. What's going on? Okay, I get it. I guess you're tired. It's time to go to sleep. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And good night. Bye-bye. Please subscribe and like and share. Till next time.